Hi everyone, my name is Sergey and now I'm gonna show you how to download and install Zebit application on your iPhone. So first of all, open up your App Store. Just swipe down and type in here App Store. And just tap on App Store at the top left corner. After that, tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. So now tap on search field and just type in here Zebit. After that, tap on search icon, scroll down until you find Zebit application right here. Tap on get button and after that click on open application. Allow notification. And now, as you can see, I successfully download and install Zebit on my iPhone. I hope it helps convert this new video or this playlist about Zebit. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.